Welcome to the Rookie Meme Hunter Show. We're going to turn $5 into 5K. Today we're going to go ahead and check it out. We're on Deck Screener. We're going to see what we can find. See if we can get some plays into the bot real quick. We have in our wallet over here, I guess I should have clicked this up here. Let me see. But our wallet is just dropping. It is going down. Down. We've been in the red last few days. Bitcoin though is up. Altcoins down. Everything is down right now. So we got lots up in here. So let's go ahead and let me see. Let's go here. So we're gonna roll on our bot one wallet. This is gonna be our wallet that we are going to use for our challenge. I haven't put any tokens in here yet. We're not really gonna mess with the newies because I don't have that much time. Because when I mess with the live new pairs, I like to hop on them, watch them go up for a few, get back out. So for right now, we're gonna rock with something where we can put a play in the wallet and just gonna hold it. Actually, we'll just put it in the bot and let's see what's going on with this. So this is gonna be short. The liquidity is locked. That's pretty good. Okay, volume's pretty good. I don't really care for the wait, hold up, my bad. No, alright, let's do that. So yeah, it's kind of high. It's up way too much, so we're gonna rock past this one. So we go back here. Let's actually do something like this. Let's go to the low bros, the one who've been getting beat up for the last couple of hours, and let's see Ski Mask Dog. Got my family in the background, everybody back there going stewies early in the morning. Hopefully y'all having a good Friday. We're just gonna get it in while we can fit it in right now before we gotta take off and go to work. Let's see, it's up pretty much. To me, if you ask me, it's on its way down. So let's see, the liquidity is not locked for some reason. Twitter, Telegram, I wouldn't like that one anyway. I want to see a website, things like that. Let's see. Okay, so this looks like it could be a play. See, sometimes you can just look at it from one aspect. If you just look at it how it rolled up and it just looks like it had a small bit of a run up and then it kind of just started trading across, like it's not really that high, like it's not that bad if you don't stretch your chart out. It's good to know how to read these charts when you guys are messing with this crypto. I mean, you don't have to, but it's very necessary to know, that way you can get in and get out at the right times and things like that. But this is pretty much gonna be its lowest point here. I'm just gonna pop it like this just to pretty much get an idea. We're almost a 10x. We're about a 70x. Well, I mean about a 7x from the bottom. So this is not that bad. You should never try to shoot to catch all the way to the bottom. Sometimes you can miss out on the play, but this isn't that far away. So let's see. Liquidity is not locked. I don't like that. Moon the Poon. Okay, that's kind of interesting. Let's just click on the website, just kind of see what effort that they put in. Kind of like that. Looks like it has like a small story behind it. Moon the Poon. Okay, let's pop out of there. Let's go ahead and snatch this token contract really fast. Here, as you can see, we're running on a time schedule that is unbelievable. Right, let's click here in our Flux bot. Put our contract address right there. Okay, boom. I don't know what this is about. I got this yesterday a couple of times on a couple of different ones. Let's go back. Let's get a re-whoop of that. Okay, let's make sure we got the contract. Let's go here. We're going to put it into our Flux bot. Invalid token mint. Okay, non-base 58 character. So that's a little interesting to me. Because of that reason, we're gonna go ahead and shoot past that. Let's see what else we can find here. Let's see, Book of Bull Run. Let's see what that's about. 2.6 mil. Fully diluted. Liquidity is 1.7. Market cap is 2.6. Let's go ahead and see if we can find something with like a lower market cap. Because we are liquidity. Let's go 50 and volume. Let's go 10 and let's see. Let's see what we get. Okay, we go to Solana. Here's an 18K Hebs or something like that. Doesn't have a the liquidity is locked, but it doesn't have a website. Just has a Twitter. Let's grab the contract. I don't really like grabbing them if they don't have a website. It's just one of my things. I know you can still make money, but you know, if they don't have a website, just kind of I get a little iffy on it. So this one, Hebs, it has a low amount of LP providers. Radium has 40%. I don't really like that because that way they can move these charts like crazy. Let's go ahead and take a look, see what's going on. Volume is looking okay. Kind of down in the dumps. This is gonna be the 1 minute. I mean, that was a 15-minute. So for play's sake, let's go ahead and let's grab one. Okay, it looks like, let me see, it's through the floor. Okay, that's one thing you can say. Look, yeah, it's through the floor. So let's go ahead and grab a play, and then we're going to put it into our, we just pulled up the Trojan bot. I was using Unibot for a few. I pulled up Trojan bot and Unibot and some other kind of bot, but you can go ahead and put that in there. You hit your buy button. Learning how to use these bots just completely took it up, like from down here to just let's see, we're gonna go here, gonna put a custom amount. Someone told me today that I was using too much on my plays. That's why I was getting beat up in the pockets on my wallets. So I'm gonna start lowering the amount that I'm putting on my plays. I don't know what my slippage is set to, but we'll just use 0.02 SOL on this play. Okay, we got buy success. Okay, and then we're just gonna hold this. That's all it's gonna do. We're just gonna let it sit. And we'll just check on it daily, see how it's doing. So that is gonna be Hebs/Sol or Hebs or Hobbs or however you say that. But we gotta search for another play, another day. We gotta go.